Do you want to create a video where you add a text behind the subject on Capcut? If yes, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your App Store, search for Capcut and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Now once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now here you want to go ahead and create a new project. Now go ahead and import a video. So for example, this lady here on the mobile phone, tap on Add. Now once the video is on the timeline, go ahead and tap on Text. Here, go ahead and add a text to your video. Now once you've created the text, make sure it's extended to the length of the video clip. Now once you're done, go ahead and export this video. Now tap Done. Now once you've exported that clip, go ahead and tap on New Project. Here you want to go ahead and bring that clip back. Tap on Add. Now on this screen, you want to tap on Overlay from the bottom. Tap on Add Overlay. Here you want to go ahead and import the clip without the text. Then tap on Add. And now this will place that new clip on top of the text clip. Now as you've noticed, that clip is smaller than the clip behind. So you need to make sure you select that clip. From the bottom here, you want to go ahead and select the Basic tool and then tap on Scale and make sure that's 100%. Now once you've done that, go ahead and press a tick. Now the next step is to remove the background for this clip. So from here at the bottom, you want to find Remove BG tool, or it's called the Remove Background tool, which is here. Go ahead and tap on it. And now go ahead and tap on Auto Removal. Give it some time and it'll remove the background for that clip. And once that's done, go ahead and press the tick. And now when you play the clip, you'll see the text is behind the subject in the video clip. Now once you're happy with that, go ahead and export the video, and that will export the video with the text behind the subject. So there you go, that is how to add text behind the subject in a video on Capcut. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.